Okay, in this tutorial, we're gonna make a basic calculator using switch case. Okay, let me open the MATLAB. Here we are. Let us create a file called calc, maybe calc, using switch case. So I'm gonna write switch. Oops. Enter. Nice. So again, in order to build a basic calculator, all you need is two numbers, one operator. Two numbers, like which two numbers you wanna maybe add or subtract or multiply, and then what do you want to do, the operator you want to add, subtract or multiply. So these are the three inputs that we are going to need from user. So let's just complete that first. So in MATLAB, to get input from the user, this is what we write, and the prompt you can write inside the single quotation. So the first number, let me ask, choose your first number, sir. Come on. I'm really bad at it. Okay, choose your first number. Okay. No, I'm also this is like, I mean, this is the kind of mistake that we may make. Like, I want the user to give input. I want the MATLAB to print this whole thing, right? So I shouldn't put semicolon after it. Okay, my base is gonna be input. Choose your second number. Oh, okay, and then the operator. Let's just say, oh, okay, I'm gonna say cool operator, and then I'm gonna take input. The operator is gonna be string, so we're gonna have to take care of that. It's not just gonna be the number. Okay, input. What do you gonna do? 1, 2. Okay, let's just do this. And I'm gonna have to tell MATLAB that you should expect from the user a string. Okay, and then switch case, right? So switch tch, switch the operator value you should check with case 1 is gonna be positive. So what MATLAB is gonna do, it will store the inside the operator variable the value of operator, like plus, minus, or division sign, whatever the user gives in, and then the MATLAB is going to check whether the value of operator matches with plus sign. If it does, then what MATLAB is going to do is it's going to calculate sum of a plus b and then print, display basically a and b. So we're going to display, here is your answer, here is sum, let's just say here is sum. And then what you can do is you can print basically just this text, and then down here you can print the answer, which is sum. The other way to do that, to the same, is like this has one, like, I don't know, drawback, that it will print in two lines. Like in the first line you'll have here is the sum, and then in the second line you'll have the answer. But if you want to print in the same line, what I can do, I can combine this string with the number sum. So in order to combine, I'm gonna need a square bracket. I'm gonna have to put everything in the square bracket, and then this is my string part, comma. I want answer to be after this sum colon space. So what I can do is, I can, whatever number I have to convert that into a string, and this is the function that we call when we want to convert a number into a string. So sum, that's what I want to convert to a string. Perfect. Now we have another case, which is going to be, let's say, multiplication. And what do we want to do if the operator value is equal to multiplication? We want to calculate product of a and b. Okay, and we want to display, let me just print that. Oh, copy paste it. I want to print product value here. Yeah, display, here is the product. I have to, okay, here is your product. That's it. Let me do one more. This time we are going to do maybe, I don't know, subtract some. Let's just do this. Okay, and then subtract, come on, a minus b. So yeah, that's what we are gonna do. Like, we're not gonna do b minus a. Always the number that they give, first number, is gonna be our a, and that is gonna be like our priority. So that is always gonna come first, and then the second. In the middle we'll have the operator. Okay, oops, I can just paste it, right? This is my subs. If I hit tab, it will give me options. So this is what I want to enter. Okay, that's it. We're done. Okay, I'm gonna have to include otherwise. So what happens if the user does not give me like plus, minus, or multiplication? In that case, what do I want MATLAB to do? Well, what I want to do is I want to display you moron. Well, obviously I'm not gonna do that. Display what? Sorry, invalid operator. We can say that, but I know it sounds bad. Operator, invalid operator. Try again. Next time. Come on. That's it. And then we have to end the switch. I remember this. Last time I made a mistake. Okay, anyways, let's just run this. Okay, choose your first number. I'm gonna choose maybe 8. No, let's just choose me 23. 23. Okay, my second number is gonna be maybe 2. What do I wanna do? That's cool. I don't know. Maybe multiply? Let's just see. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so yeah, that's how you can basically create a simple calculator using switch case. And so yeah, this video basically tells you or shows you how you can take input from the user, not just the number input but also a string or text input, and then handle that input. Okay, so also the switch case, of course.